Do you have a question for me today, Leisha?
Yes, I do. I
I
have a
bet you
few
do.
questions for you. All
Mm,
right. So, quite a few students will see when they're looking at your profile or when they are reading up about you that you offer mock exams. They might not know exactly what a mock exam is or how it differs to a normal lesson. So, do you want to tell us what a mock exam is?
yeah, because that is it's a little confusing because to me there are two kinds of mock exams, um, my kind and the other kind. I call my kind a diagnostic mock exam, and the other kind I call a practice mock exam. Two different names. Now, a practice mock exam is where you just take the test to see what the test is like. And a diagnostic mock exam is where you take an exam in the exam conditions, like following the way the examiner would do it, and then you get a score from your teacher and an evaluation. So that's what I do. I do what I call, I named, it's my name. Actually, you helped me name it. I was talking to you when I came up with the idea. So it's a diagnostic mock exam. Diagnostic means to look for the problem, like a
Hmm.
mechanic when he fixes a car has to diagnose the car problem, or a doctor especially has to make a diagnosis or diagnose the disease. So a diagnostic mock exam is where it's given in an exam situation, similar. Actually, mine are the same as a real exam, except I'm taking notes. That's the
Mm.
only difference. The real examiner can't take notes, but I'm taking notes because it's also an evaluation. So it's a mock exam and evaluation, and I want to have the notes so I can talk later about the mistakes I heard. Yeah, so I give a mock exam and then I tell them the four scores, not just the one score. That's not that helpful.